Don't come here, please. Don't be the star. In Rome, you are a guest, and always the star, because Philip Stahl is the star. It's nice. Philip Stahl is the star. It's a good payoff. Philip,
Wow, we look good, man.
when the passion, quando la passione, because we say in Italy, they don't understand anything, sono ignoranti come zappe. Allora, when passion and work and sometimes also the friendly, l'amicizia, si incontrano, secondo te sto male? Philip, ci piacciono i pezzi di ferro. We like very much the
Watches.
watches, yeah. We stay without watches today. We stay without watches. No watches today. No what time is it? I have to take the iPhone. Devo prendere l'iPhone per farci un video. Rolex Passion Report, number one in assoluto. Un amico corretto, creativo, divertente e molto professionale. In Roma per un coffee e chissà, e secondo te sto male? È arrivata pure la vitamina. È arrivato anche il cappuccino.
Vitamine. Vuole cappuccio pure lei?
No, I don't want cappuccino. Thank you very much. What are you doing? Te porta male. Te porta male.
Scusa.
Viva la vita.
Ciao.
We have to make business now. Shell.
Forza Italia.
Sempre.
Forza Roma.